Hey there friends, welcome to part 2 of the torture test with the Magpul Pmag and the Troy Battlemag. If you missed part 1, here's a bit of what we did. And then forward again. Pmag, about 20 feet in the air. Troy Battlemag. My SIG P6, put a round right through the center of it. And both fed. There's only one way to torture them. And even with that, they're still living. Number 5. Turkey load, shot number 5. 3-inch. If this doesn't destroy these mags, I give up. I'm open to any ideas. So as you can see, nothing would destroy these magazines. Nothing. So I got a lot of comments asking for suggestions, and people say, blow them up with Tannerite. So that's exactly what I did. I went and bought a 2-pound container of Tannerite. Gonna put these right on top of it, blow it up, see what happens. Gonna use my AR pistol. Got the Tannerite all shook up here, ready to go. Have some 5.56 loaded up. And there they are. There are the mags. Gonna put them on top of the Tannerite, just like that, and see what happens. Let's go. Well, let's go see if we can find them. All right, friends, I can't find them. They're gone. They could be out there right now living well, fully functional. Just can't find them. Been looking around for about a half hour, and they are gone. So maybe I'll find them in the future. But right now, the results of this test are inconclusive. So I call it a draw. Thanks for watching, and you guys be safe.